First question, what is a SpeakerCom? Plainly said, it's pretty much a small battery-powered speaker that connects to your controller. Now, the second question is, why buy this SpeakerCom for your controller? And I thought about it, I said, some people probably don't like headphones. Then, in my case, my monitor does not have speakers, so that's why I was looking for a speaker for the controller itself. With that said, I don't really like to use headphones when I'm playing video games. I like to be aware of my surroundings in the real world. Now, here's the last question. This question is more for me. Why did I order this SpeakerCom if the product page clearly states it's for the Xbox One and I own a Xbox Series X? As you guys probably know, they kind of tweak the controllers when they release the Series X and the Series S. Now, to my credit, I did investigate on the customer and answer section of the product page. I normally go there when I'm trying to find an answer to a particular question about a product. And one of the individuals that purchased it suggested that, yeah, this does work for the Series X controller. Ladies and gentlemen, this $20 accessory is not compatible with the Series X controller. Please take my word for it. Don't waste your time. Sadly, there's really nothing else on the market that really works in terms of a speaker that you can connect. I did pick up an alternative option, which is somewhat similar, that I think is going to help me achieve my goal that I'll talk about a little bit later in the video. The good news is that the Xbox One controller is compatible with the Series X. The biggest changes that they made was the controllers actually have like a texture on the bottom, and it has that dated micro charger that I think a lot of us probably never use. Now, if you want to pick up one of these controllers, the dead giveaway is the actual D-pad has a T-shape versus the controller that came with the Series X has this concave circle shape. What I'll do is I'll link a video that I looked at that kind of goes over the differences of the old controller and the new controller. By the way, the new controller, the name is called the Core controller. So if you're looking for an old one and it says Core controller, it's going to be the new one. So don't waste your time. Now, I wanted to pick up one of these old controllers. I checked my local Best Buy and also checked online. And I apologize. This review is going to be somewhat incomplete because I wanted to test the audio and the microphone quality. I didn't get a chance to because just won't work with my controller. But I did complete doing a review on the installation, the build quality, and what's inside the box. So hopefully that's worth something. There's a bit of friction, a bit of a friction level when putting on the actual speaker, which I would say is probably similar to putting on like a pair of, boots or like a pair of cowboy boots. You can get it on, but it takes a little bit of effort. Moving on, the build quality is decent, but it's nothing to write home about. But the build quality it's not a deal breaker in my opinion. I think the build quality is pretty good. While we're talking about the build quality, the top portion of the speaker itself has this 3.5 male jack, and you have these expansion slot anchors, which provides stability when you're connecting this to the controller itself. Bottom portion has a volume wheel, and then you have that dated micro charging port on the bottom to charge this guy up. Now inside the box, Nyco does provide you with a short micro cable. You get an instruction manual, and sadly, there's no power brick, but that's just pretty much how things work in today's day and age. To finish up, what Xbox accessory that I did pick up is a keyboard that you can attach to the actual controller itself, and it claims to have a speaker, so hopefully it does. Leave a comment below if you would like for me to do a review on this keyboard. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, but I'd like to hear from you. Is there any alternatives, options that you use for a speaker for your Series X? Leave your thoughts in the comment section or hit me up on one of my socials. Don't forget to like, subscribe for the latest tech from Apple Fan Dad, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.